Ritch Robin here at Gator Pit, Texas. I'm going to walk you through my shop to show you what we got going on this Friday, August 4th. I do believe it's the 4th. And it's a hot day, getting hot. And we are building gator pits in here. We've got some that are ready, completed for pickup. Some are getting picked up today. Some are shipping out next week once we get them crated. But kind of give you an idea of just what's happening today in the gator pit. My usual video of a day in the gator pit, guys. Ritch Robin. Let's flip this around. Let's see what's happening. Gator Pit of Texas. Custom barbecue pits are right there. There's my contact information. Give me a call. Guys, with our CNC plasma table, we do quite a bit of CNC plasma work. As you can see right here, this is all cut in our Torchmate 4510 plasma, Flex Cut 80. These are actually pickleball paddles. These are quart numbers. A company here that has a pickle court or pickleball court facility contracted us to cut their paddles out for their court numbers and also do their custom signs on their building, which will be cutting out of stainless or aluminum next week. I'll give you an idea of what we can do. Look how perfect that is, man. I mean, that's that CNC plasma table. You got something you want us to cut, brand, ranch, names, company logos, signs, you name it, we can probably do it for you. Give us a contact, 713-896-0144, or email me, info@gatorpit.net. That's on that sign I showed you earlier. Let's jump on in here. So here is our CNC table. That's where we cut the pickleball court numbers out with. That's a 45 by 10 Lincoln Torchmate. It's been working pretty good for us since we've had it now, I think about 2 years. And here is a cooker being built right here, right now. This is a 24 by 60 super smoker on the website at gatorpit.net. He's putting the firebox on it there. That's your firebox. That's your main chamber. And there is the door to the firebox. And yes, it is upside down. Here is another popular pit, y'all. That size is a great size. 24 by 60. There's the firebox there. Now this one is upright. Over here, we've got completed cookers. That's a party edition on the website. This is a triple door limo on the website. You can see it there. It's got the stainless steel drop down shelf added to it. It's got the shelf over the firebox for using the heat on the firebox. Back side of that party edition, that's a 20 by 40, 8 long, 2-door. Back there in the corner is a backyard classic chef on our website. And here we have a pellet hybrid offset. This is based off our Texas Premier, GatorPit.net Texas Premier model. It has a Pellet Pro 35-pound PID controller hopper. It's got a custom sign cut into it. You can see here, again, using our plasma table. It's got a firebox with a grill door cut into it. So this guy can charcoal grill as well. Some people refer to these grill fireboxes as a cowboy box or cowboy firebox. That is what it is. It's for grilling and searing and cooking over direct coal or charcoal. Inside you've got your firebox and it's got gas assist. There's your gas back there and your lines and your hookups. Inside, of course, your Gator gauge. Inside you got your split upper racks and your lower slides, your grease pans, and your heat shields and all that good stuff in there. Gator Pit, there's your hopper. Pellet Pros by Smoke Daddy. Stainless steel upgrades on it. This is the Elite hopper. It's got a pellet view window, PID controller. Again, the stainless upgrades, the stainless fire pot. It's got the heavy duty auger in it, motor, all the good stuff. Everything that Smoke Daddy offers on their upgrades. That's what we use. Over here, we got a Oh, look, another backyard classic shelf. I can show you this one better than I can. It was jammed up in the corner. Nice. Check it out. Very nice. I might pull this one out and take a video of it. And of course, we have food racks and food trays and all that good stuff being made.